He's back. Look at this guy. He got his bike back. It's all fixed. Taking it easy though. No mountain until we know it's actually 100%. So safety, because I mean, damn it. If you saw the last video, you saw that bike lock up at about 60, 70 miles an hour. And if that would have happened in a corner, that would have been game over. We wouldn't be dancing like this right now, so. But we're good. We're back. We're cruising. We're actually getting ready to go work on the duck. And he's going to see the duck for the first time in person, so. It is chilly as fuck out here right now. Warm up these tires a little bit. Long time no see. We've been busy, but we're back with the duck. Yeah. And Karkov decided he wanted to go pick up some new wheels for the duck, so we're putting these on it. 11-inch wide wheels.
No, 12.
12.
Those are 11s.
Oh, right. Yeah, we're gonna go staggered with the truck. I mean, come on. Come on, wait. Yeah. No, not at all. That's not gonna fit, obviously. It's going on this girl, which I think, we're doing a video on the Firebird, right?
Eventually.
Eventually.
We probably should, considering how far along I'm getting on it.
Yeah, so it looks like it's in pieces, but he's literally to the point now where you just gotta bolt everything together.
Getting there.
Getting there. Just gotta get the other tub put in pretty much on the right side. Because you got the tub here.
Got some tubs?
Got some tubs for them big ass tires and wheels. And working on the right side now. There's a bunch of holes in here.
Hey-o!
Yeah. So now I'm gonna be dicking around on the duck. I gotta cut this metal for the bed rails. So essentially I'm running rails here all the way down. This is my bullshit template I kind of made. Didn't have any cardboard long enough, but I really just wanted to make sure I got the curve right for down here, which it kind of works. So I drew on this sheet metal. It's a little long, so I just got to trim off a little bit here. You can't really see, I made a line. Didn't have black Sharpie, but we used this so you can still see it. So I'm gonna get going on a rough cut and then start trimming it as we go, and hopefully I don't fuck it up. Let's find out. I've been hard slacking. Not really. We haven't really had a whole lot of time, I guess. Karkov's been busy. I've been busy. And the last time I had a chance, I was over here last weekend?
I think so.
Right? When me and Ryan?
For that thing.
Yeah, so I'm making the bed rails right now. I'll show a clip. I don't like how it turned out at all, and it's kind of off too. I was using an angle grinder. That wasn't great, so I just went and bought one of these electric shears. I couldn't get the curves I wanted. It wasn't straight at all. I boogered it up here. So I'm gonna dick around with this one and use it as a template. Like, the length is right, pretty much. Like, the whole length of it is pretty good.
It's just the girth.
Just the girth.
The girth isn't right.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start getting into that. I gotta be careful because this is all we have left. So yeah, I don't want to fuck that up anymore. So got it. how we need. That still seems a little thin right there, and that's what kind of worries me. We made it a little bit taller here, so it's not as thin. I'm just gonna come down all the way down. That still do be looking a little thin, huh? Maybe it'll be fine. We'll find out. Come on and dance. Come on and dance. It started raining. I had to rush to get everything inside. And then I saw Karkov put his cock on the sandbag. Gross. It's not where you're supposed to put it.
You gotta test your cock.
Yeah.
Alright?
You always gotta test to make sure your cock has good flow.
That's right. I need to adjust the speed of my cock. You don't want to go out too fast, but you don't want to take too long either, you know.
So I got a shit show going on here. Oh yeah. Oh, yo. I'm gonna try to cut into this more. It doesn't like to do curves, obviously. That's why I can't get that one last. All I need is that last little curve, and then see how it fits. And fuck. So I'm gonna try to do that some more. So I wasn't gonna record me finishing the second part, but this bitch is smoking. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I can't really tell on this screen. I'm almost done though, and I'm returning this thing tomorrow because this thing sucks ass. Chicago Electric sucks. So I'm gonna record now in case it blows up. That'll be good content, right?
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's see if it blows up. I mean, it kind of looks like boo-boo, but nothing a little bit of grinding can't fix. Still got the curve I needed. So let's see. I still gotta trim some of this shit down. It's sitting up too high. But I'd say we got a fucking winner. Not really, but enough. I'm gonna trim this down some. So yeah, bed rails still need a lot of work, but that's coming. That's all fucking janky. And I gotta trim down this because that's a high point right there. Sitting up way too high, so I'll probably take the grinder to that. I guess this is just a small update video for now. A whole lot hasn't really happened. Like I said, I've been busy as shit. Haven't had time to do a whole lot. But there's going to be a lot more coming. The big thing right now is I need to get out to the junkyard. Still haven't had time to do that. And get the hatch. Because once we get the hatch in and squared up, that's when we can actually do real measurements for the trunk. Or trunk. Truck bed, I should say. But that's a lot, and it's going to be a lot of body work, which I am not experienced in at all.
Me either.
You either. Do we know anybody that's good at body work?
Nope.
We don't know anybody that's good at. So if you're in the Georgia area, like,
and
bored, like North Georgia area, and you're good at body work, let us know, man. we could use a little bit of help. If not, we're gonna figure it out. Guidance, yeah. I mean, we will figure it out eventually. We still gotta sand the whole car. We probably won't sand the whole thing to begin with, but at least where we're gonna be welding the doors shut. And we haven't wanted to get started on that either because it's gonna be easier, I feel like, when we put the hatch in to be able to still use the doors. So we do still have a lot coming and to work on. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe. I'm going to be working on this as much as I can. and try to get these videos rolled out. This is the longest I haven't posted a video in 5 months, give or take.
Any of your series, bro.
Wow, dude.
Dang.
Well, normally I was posting at least 1 to 2 videos a week, and the last 2 weeks I've just been swamped. I've had swamp ass. So, yeah, like I said, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. We're going to see you guys in the next video for part 4, where hopefully it'll be a junkyard day video. I think that's going to be a lot of fun. But we just got to find the time to get out there. So, alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.